morning, guys! Happy Saturday, March 29. Oh yeah, because yesterday is our deep birthday. So yun guys, today is Saturday and then we're going out with Craig. Malab, someone wants to shout out.
Who wants to shout out, babe?
Giselle.
Giselle?
Giselle.
Okay, well, hi Giselle. Shout out to Giselle.
And Mom Lina Hinay.
Oh, Mum Lena. Always there. Thanks, Mum Lina.
Thank you. So yun na guys, na shout out na namin. So pakita lang namin sa inyo mamaya. Magpupunta lang kami sa daughter ni Craig and then we're going out. And I'll vlog again later. Bye.
Hi.
Hello everyone, we're home. And we got our ano guys, pinili namin. Lalagay namin dito. Ooh, good job, babe. Yes, the ano ba?
You didn't cut that one, babe.
No. Yan siya, guys. And ang nice niya, guys. Parang ano yun siya eh, parang velvet. Yung kanyang ano, pag ganyan siya. So, cute lang. Then, gold yung kanyang paa. So, ganyan. Lagayan namin ng ano to. Mga shoes dyan sa loob. Yeah. Hey Google, turn the light pink.
Is that pink?
Yeah, it's pink there.
Hey Google, make the lamp dark pink.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Hey Google, make the light dark pink.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Hey Google.
Hey Google, make the light purple.
Hey Google. Hey Google, dim the lamp 50%.
Oh, wow.
Now,
Again, my love. Say it.
Hey Google, make the lamp brightness 100%.
That's so amazing. Guys, nandito kami sa bahay ng aming friend. Woo! Ganda ng view dito. Dito kami sa bahay ng aking friend, guys. Ang dami nilang ano, ganda ng view. Ganda ng mga halaman niya, oh. Fresh! So, hi guys! Kanina po kami sa bahay, guys. Hindi na ako nakapag pero galing kami sa bahay ng kaibigan namin kanina. So, ngayon dito kami sa bahay. Papahilit ako kay Craig. And yeah. So, napakita ko sa inyo, pumili kami kanina ng upuan. Ayan siya. Ang ganda, diba? Almost. That's wrong. That's wrong already. I think I don't need my glasses yet.
No?
Because it's...
Let's go down Main Street.
because I'm small. Hi guys. Nag-drive ako guys ng 1 hour and 40 minutes. Ngayon, nag-ice cream ako kahit malamig.
Me to drive while you eat?
No, I'm not gonna drive. Hi guys! Nasa car na kami. Nag-drive ako ng how long? I already told you.
An hour 45 so far.
Yeah. And I got ice cream, even it's so cold. And Craig got coffee.
Of course. Coffee is life, babe.
It's nice.
Yeah.
And I got this. Ooh, my love, you can share with
It's
me.
alright, isn't it?
You can share, my love.
You gonna eat that when you get home, or
Yeah, let's eat that after our
got the
dinner.
spoon?
After our dinner.
Mm, see. I've got to call into the supermarket.
Why?
Get the stuff for dinner.
Oh, yeah. So I put it there so not it won't. Ay, sorry.
It's not bad coffee.
I can't drive.
Not while you're eating, babe.
Well, stop it. So, hi guys! Sa bahay na kami guys. Kanina umalis kami ng Fred. Nag-drive ako. Ngayon, magluluto ako ng nilagang baka! So, gamitin ko to guys. First time ko magluto ng baka dito. First time ni Craig matikman. So, magluto tayo. Hiwain ko lang yung mga ingredients. You know?
Wait, can we do that? Can we do that?
No.
Wait. Oi, that hurts your hand. Let me cut it. Biber! Biber! It hurts. See? Cut, don't punch.
Wala, I need your help!
Now I'm busy now.
So, yan yung ating ingredients, guys. Nagalit na yung aking asawa, guys. Don't hurt yourself! Don't hurt yourself. You're so sweet, my love.
What is it?
You're so sweet.
Biber.
Sana. So, yan na yung ating mga ingredients, guys, sa ating sabaw. Sabaw na baka. Ito aking gagamitin. Nahiwa na yan siya. So, nagpakulo na din ako. Diyan na yung sibuyas and yung paminta. Nilagang baka. Na yung karne, guys. Lambot na siya. Yan. So, lagay na natin yung ibang cheese. Potato. Carrots. Potato. So, nalagay ko na yung ibang ano, guys, mga ingredients. pinapalambot ko na lang. Kasi malambot na yung back. Sarap ng kulay niya. Yan. Ayan, nilagay ko na ang peppermint. It's ready na ito, guys. Ready to eat na tayo. Yung ating ano guys, nilaga. 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 Pinapaluto ko lang yung ano, yung cabbage. Pagkukuluan ko natin yung kaunti. Then we're good. Yummers. Okay na guys, kuha na tayo ng rice. Kasi ready na ang food. Naghihintay na yung aking asawa. So, ayan din. Can you get the rice here, please?
Get the rice.
Yeah.
What do you want me to put it in, bud?
It's already here. We just need hands to put on the table. Diba? Subuha na ako guys. So, let's go. At kasi mainit na mainit parang.
It's good, bud.
I will say, I'll choose you or beef you.
Turn it off for us.
No, it's good to like that because it needs to be hot, hot, hot so that it's oil for. Ta-da!
Right?
Yep.
Good.
Kain guys!
Chili stuff's spicy, bud.
It's spicy?
The chili stuff, yeah. A minute.
Kain guys. Tapos meron tayong patis. Patis na may lemon. And yan na. Kain tayo bulalo. And then magnunod kami movie. Love? This is how you eat? Like that? Love?
Yeah, that's what I eat, bud.
Yeah, I know. So that have taste.
Yeah.
I think I want you this because this is very soft meat. Love? And if you like, you can just give a little bit like this.
Very spicy, bud.
Not really.
Yeah.
They all patis, guys. Yummy.
The tuna is spicy, bud.
Huh?
No.
That one?
Wow.
It's the meat soft.
Yeah, bud.
What's this? It's good if it's bony, bone marrow. Yummy.
Yeah, the meat's good.
Mmm. The meat is so. Because this is to make it a little bit salty, or you can put.
The broth is still fairly salty though.
It's salty. It's okay.
No.
Okay, bye guys. Manood kami movie. Yummy. Okay.